A COVID testing site established 4 months ago continued to serve the community from the grounds of Beit al-Hadar Mosque in the heart of a bustling business centre in Western Sydney, forming part of the testing network so vital during these times. Additionally, a mobile vaccination clinic took advantage of the mosque's facilities to roll out more vaccines into the local community. This clinic targeted those who have not received any vaccine at all to have their first dose of Pfizer, for Ahmadi members as well as members from the local community.
And it's thanks to organisations such as the Ahmadiyya community that are making vaccinations accessible. Over 100 shots today that are being delivered and second doses coming in a couple of weeks.
Local and state politicians who have always worked closely with the Ahmadiyya Muslim Community Australia visited and commended our efforts and genuine concern for humanity.
Imam Khalsa and all the members of the Ahmadiyya community who have stepped up to help in this way and play a role, thank you so much for what you're doing. It is literally life-saving work, and we are very grateful for the effort you've made to ensure that we could set up this pop-up Vax hub here at Marsden Park.
The Honourable Chris Minns, State Opposition Leader for New South Wales, also visited the mosque for the first time to converse with the New South Wales frontline health workers and to thank the community.
We need to get back to normality. Too many lives have been put on hold, and we want to make sure that the economic life of Western Sydney and South-Western Sydney returns to normal, that businesses open up, that people can get by. We don't want to see any jobs lost or any businesses closed because people have done the right thing and listened to their own government's health advice.
All honourable guests gave time to discuss the current matters with Emir and Missionary in Charge of Australia, respected Inam ul-Haq Kausar Sahib.
By having vaccination clinics here in the community where places that people in the community trust, like the mosque, to come to get their vaccination, we know that we're going to be upping the rates of people that have had the jab, and that means that we can get back to the freedoms that we all enjoy. I can't wait to be back here with the Ahmadiyyan community at a time when the vast majority of us are vaccinated and we can get back to some sort of normal in our lives once more.
The day was concluded with lunch for the guests and nurses working on the day. Alhamdulillah, it was a very successful day of following in the true spirit of serving humanity.
So I reached out to the Ahmadiyyans and also to the Blacktown PCYC and many other community groups, and we've actually organised for people to have these open days and to get people down here to find the most vulnerable people out there that find it difficult to actually access through the internet onto the New South Wales Health website. Or people have fallen through the cracks. It could be some people, some of the elderly people. But when you arrive here, you're welcomed, like part of the family, good atmosphere, lays all your fees, and you're able to go through the system where New South Wales Health then picks you up.
May Allah grant us protection during these times. MTA International, Australia Studios.